Welcome to King Green Tip. We share health tips and weight loss tips.
Weight loss 5 kg in 1 week with turmeric tea, weight loss recipes at home. Turmeric tea is known to be good for the digestive system, which is key to shedding kilos. Moreover, it has anti-inflammatory properties that help suppress fat cell proliferation. Another way turmeric tea helps lose weight is by regulating blood sugar levels, further preventing insulin resistance. The curcumin compound in turmeric is the fat burner that you need to speed your weight loss journey. You must include turmeric tea in your daily diet, and in order to make it more effective and tastier, we suggest you add these healthy fat burners and stimulators to your tea in order to lose weight. Here is a weight loss tea that will help you reduce 5 kilograms in 1 week only. Materials to prepare. The first is 3 turmeric. The second is 1 ginger. Third is a lemon. The fourth is 2 tablespoons of honey. Fifth is a small glass jar. Here are 5 ingredients you need to prepare for this recipe. Proceed as follows. First, you clean the outer shell. You cut turmeric into small slices. Turmeric contains a polyphenol, curcumin, that possesses anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. This property of curcumin helps to suppress white adipose tissue inflammation. Curcumin also inhibits fat cell proliferation and promotes adiponectin secretion, an anti-inflammatory agent secreted by fat cells. Another way in which turmeric helps weight loss is by regulating sugar levels and preventing insulin resistance. As a result, excess fat is not retained in your body. People who are overweight or obese are prone to diabetes. Eating turmeric protects them from this condition. It has been seen that regular consumption of turmeric increases the bile present in the stomach. Bile is a digestive juice that helps in emulsifying fat and consequently, its metabolism. So, this is another way in which turmeric is effective in weight loss. Next, ginger. You also clean the peel. Use a knife to cut ginger into small pieces. Ginger has very potent carminative properties due to the volatiles and diastase enzyme present in it. The root helps increase secretion of saliva in your mouth and kickstarts the digestive process. This helps improve your metabolism, cleanses the stomach of toxins and aids in weight loss. Ginger has got lots of benefits. It helps in proper digestion and therefore helps in preventing constipation. It is mainly used in cooking and a common kitchen ingredient for various recipes. It helps in treating nausea and morning sickness. Ginger can be eaten raw or powdered and has various medicinal benefits. Ginger is commonly used to treat cold and cough. It helps in reducing blood sugar levels. It helps in lowering cholesterol levels. Since ginger aids in digestion and lowers cholesterol levels, this is the perfect ingredient to use in a weight loss drink. You take ginger and turmeric to puree and squeeze juice. You cut the lemon, then squeeze lemon juice into a small bowl and remember to remove the seeds. Of lemon juice will give you half the vitamin C you need in a day. Vitamin C acts as an antioxidant by protecting your cells against damage caused by free radicals and toxins. Vitamin C aids in lowering cholesterol levels often associated with heart disease, stroke and cancer. The main function of vitamin C is to manufacture collagen, the main protein substance of the human body. Collagen holds your body together through structures such as cartilage, connective tissue, ligaments and tendons. Here are 2 bowls of ginger and turmeric juice. You pour ginger juice into a bowl of turmeric juice and stir well. Next, pour a lemon juice into a bowl of turmeric juice. Finally, put 2 tablespoons of honey in a bowl of turmeric juice and mix it with a spoon. Honey is a source of riboflavin, vitamin B6, iron and manganese. It is a rich source of phenolic compounds that act as powerful antioxidants. Antioxidants help prevent the damage caused by free radicals. Free radical damage is often associated with atherosclerosis and cardiovascular disease. Honey aids in weight loss by dissolving fat cells, acting as an astringent to dry the oily substances found in fat cells. Additional benefits of honey include its energy-enhancing effects and wound-healing properties. Now just pour this mixture into a glass jar and cover. Every time you drink, you only need to mix with hot water to be usable. Besides, work hard to practice sports to improve your health while promoting weight loss. Wish you success. Thank you for watching the video. Hello and see you again in the next weight loss video.